types of optical fiber. This optical fiber is explained on the basis of three ways. One is material used, mode of propagation, refractive index profile. Material used is classified into two types, that is glass fiber, plastic fiber. Mode of propagation is classified into two types, single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber, and refractive index profile classified into two types, step index fiber, graded index fiber. Step index fiber is classified into again two types, that is step index single mode fiber, step index multi-mode fiber. Okay, so next we will discussing one by one. First one is step index single mode fiber. First is single mode fiber, then we have take step index single mode fiber. Okay, so single mode, single means only one light is transmit into the core of the optical fiber is called single mode fiber. This is optical fiber structure. The structure is consist two layer. One is core, second one is cladding. There is only one light is transmit into the core of the optical fiber is called single mode fiber. This is represent refractive index profile. What is refractive index profile? This refractive index is refractive index of core. N1 means refractive index of core. N2 is refractive index of cladding. Core and cladding is varied step by step with radial distance within the optical fiber axis, that is known as refractive index profile. So next is represents geometry of the single mode fiber. Here this is core diameter, this is cladding diameter. Core diameter order is 8 to 10 micrometer. Cladding diameter order is 60 to 70 micrometer. Okay, so this type of fiber have small diameter. So it have small diameter. There is only one light is transmit into the core of the optical fiber. Such type of fiber is called single mode fiber, and also it is varied by step refractive index profile, that it is called step index single mode fiber. Okay, so next is multi-mode fiber. Multi-mode fiber, there is more than two rays transmit into the core of the optical fiber is called multi-mode fiber. So inside the core more than two light rays, okay, these represents more than two light rays transmit easily into the core of the optical fiber. Such type of fiber is called multi-mode fiber. Next is step index multi-mode fiber. This step index multi-mode fiber, it represents this one. It also have refractive index profile. It is varied step by step. This type of fiber is have large diameter compared to core, 50 to 200 micrometer, that is core diameter, and cladding diameter is 100 to 250 micrometer. Compared to single mode fiber, this core diameter is large, so that it have large number of light rays. Next is graded index multimode fiber. This is different from other single mode and multimode fiber. This also called grid. The refractive index of core decrease from the axis towards the core cladding interface. That means here this is graded index multimode fiber diagram. Inside the core, the light ray is incident on the core cladding interface. At that point, refractive index is decreased, and at the optical fiber axis of the core, this is optical fiber axis, at that point the refractive index of the light ray at the optical fiber axis is maximum. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. at this point refractive index is maximum. This is called as graded index multimode fiber. It have refractive index profile N1, N2, and this is core diameter, cladding diameter is similar to multi-mode fiber. So it have large diameter. When it have large diameter, there is large light rays transmit into the core of the optical fiber. So these three types is have advantage, disadvantage, and also applications. That is types of optical fiber is an important question your exam point of view. Okay, it's here important thing is single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber, and step index single mode fiber, graded index fiber. Okay.